What is up, YouTube? I honestly just wanted to cut the fat because it takes too long to show what I'm doing. But today we're showing I'm doing the rear brake change. Rear brake changes on my car. Really super simple. On my car, this is how mine is. Right here, the studs and the lug nuts are 17. You just pop those out. But then when you come over here to your caliper, I normally just take this one off and flip it over like this. Makes it a whole lot easier. And then I have a clamp, and then just push the piston in. Makes it a whole lot easier to install them. Where my pads at? Pads. Well, super simple. I had to change them out because they were breaking uneven, because this side I had installed them for a while, and then when I had the other side, the piston was actually seized, so it would shut and wouldn't go back in. It would push out but not push back in. So I had the other set were brand new, and these were semi-used, so it wasn't breaking pretty good. So now I have them all brand new. They're just basic Duralast from AutoZone brake pads, nothing special. Only the front ones are special because they're for a 4-pot brake caliper. So these ones are just basic. Keep in mind, my car is a 2001 Forester L. They do come with brake drums, and that's why the dude was super confused about it. But that's about it. I'm gonna install some grease. Gotta remember the one with this right here, it goes on the back side because I can't install it right here. It won't let me. So we're gonna install these now. Bam, there you go, all installed. Super simple. So these ones right here are 14 millimeters. That's never gonna come on. But if you want to take off the bracket to change the rotor, the bolts back here are also 14 millimeters. But other than that, we're all done. It literally takes about a full time, like from getting your brake pads to everything, is maybe an hour. I think it took me less time than that, but I want to say approximately an hour to do the whole change from putting the jack to jack stands, taking the wheels off, and getting the brake pads from the store, unless you already have them. But all of that took me about an hour, and I'm also filming right now, so that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Oh, wait. Okay, bye.